welcome to my channel. Today is 15th August and India is celebrating its 74th Independence Day today. So I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Taking into account today's theme, I am going to tell you a few interesting stories about freedom fighters who gave away their life for the freedom of our country. So today I am going to tell you stories about Chandrasekhar Azad, Khudiram Bose, and BBD, that is the trio of Binoy, Badal, and Dinesh. So let's start. Binoy, Badal, and Dinesh are really well known in Bengal, but outside they're not that well known. Even an area called BBD Bagh is there in Kolkata. When I was in Kolkata, I used to visit that place, but I never knew the history behind the naming of that place. So BBD stands for Binoy Basu, Badal Gupta, and Dinesh Chandragupta, and they laid down their life at a very young age for their country. On 8 December 1930, Binoy, who was all of 22, Badal, who was 18, and Dinesh, who was 19, so young, they entered the writers' building and they shot the Inspector General of Police. Inspector General of Police of Kolkata, N.C. Simpson, was a very infamous police officer. He was infamous for his brutal oppression of jail inmates. And to end this brutality, Binoy, Badal, and Dinesh decided to end his life. On 8 December 1930, Binoy, all of 22 years, Badal, 18 years, and Dinesh, 19 years, entered the writers' building in Kolkata and shot him dead. What followed was a huge gunfight between the three of them and the whole police force, and they were easily overpowered by the sheer numbers of the police. They did not want to get arrested by the police, and that is why Badal Gupta ended his life by eating potassium cyanide. Binoy and Dinesh also shot themselves. Binoy later lost his life in the hospital. Dinesh was saved and later hanged in 1931. Three young people, not even 25, ended their life for the sake of their country. The nation will always be indebted to them. And to remember their sacrifice, the idols of Binoy, Badal, and Dinesh are still there in front of the Writers' Building in Kolkata, which remind us of at what cost the independence has come to our country. So, salute to the three of them. So, the next story is of Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad is a really famous revolutionary. We all know his name, but we may not know his complete story. He was born in 1906 in a place called Dhaura in Madhya Pradesh, and he was very interested in freedom struggle since his childhood. He took part in the non-cooperation movement in 1920-21 and was arrested. When he was asked about his name, he said Azad, the name of his father as Swatantra and his residence as prison. The magistrate got so irritated that he sentenced the boy flogging of 15 lashes. Later, he got involved in a lot of violent struggle and revolutionary activities against the British government in India. He was a part of the Kakori conspiracy with Ram Prasad Bismil. He was also involved in blowing up the Viceroy's train, the assembly bomb incidents, the Delhi conspiracy, and the second Lahore conspiracy. He was also one of the trio who killed Saunders in Lahore. But he was so good in the revolutionary activities that he was virtually never caught by the police. But because of a friend's betrayal, he was encircled by the police in Alfred Park on 27 February 1931 in Allahabad. What ensued was a huge gunfight between Chandrasekhar Azad, one single person, and the whole police force. But he fought valiantly, and in the end, when only one bullet was left with him, he did not wish to get caught by the police and he killed himself. He shot himself in the head. Imagine the courage of the person. And he was so famous amongst the police force for his shooting skills that even after hours of he killing himself, the police were afraid to come near him. Imagine, the revolutionaries have laid their lives, they have sacrificed their lives for our country. Salute to them. The third story is of Khudiram Bose. Khudiram Bose is one of the youngest revolutionaries, not even 19 at the time of his hanging, to lay their lives for the country. He was involved in the assassination attempts of Magistrate Kingsford. Kingsford was the chief magistrate of Presidency Court of Alipur. He was the one who oversaw the trials of Jugantar editors and sentenced them to rigorous imprisonment. He was also the one who used to give whipping to a lot of young Bengali boys. So there was a lot of anti-Kingsford sentiment. Khudiram and his friend Praful Chaki tried to kill Kingsford many times, but every time he turned out to be lucky. This fateful day in Muzaffarpur, when Kingsford was on a vacation, they threw bombs at a carriage which they thought was carrying Kingsford. Lucky for Kingsford and unlucky for them, the carriage was having two different British ladies, and again Kingsford was saved. But the whole town of Muzaffarpur knew of the assassination attempt by midnight. All the rail links were closed and they had no option but to run away from the place. Khudiram walked for 25 miles and reached a station called Vaini. He was totally exhausted and he asked for water on the station. But there he was caught by the police and later he was hanged after the trials. He was not even 19 when this happened. After listening to all these stories, I literally get goosebumps. So many people have sacrificed so many things, their time, their effort, their families, their money, and ultimately their lives for our country. Because of them, we have now what we have. So I literally bow down to them on this Independence Day. So did you like the Independence Day special video? If you like it, please press the like button, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss upon any of my videos. I come up with videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So till the next one, bye bye and take care and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind!